Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I go from straight back to curly. My hair lasted 2 weeks. It stayed pretty straight except for the days that I got caught in the rain. My hair was pretty flaky on my scalp area because I didn't put any kind of moisturizer, and I usually wash my hair like once a week too. I'm going to be using the As I Am Coconut Co-Wash. This is my first time putting it on my hair before it's wet, and I just felt like this is a good way to just kind of restore some moisture and get my scalp ready to be washed by adding some oils before I go ahead and strip them all off again with the Nioxin shampoo. I use my Nioxin shampoo and conditioner to rinse and condition my hair, and I also use the Diva Curl Deep Sea Repair Mask, and I left that on my hair for about 20 minutes and I rinsed that out. Once I finished shampooing and conditioning my hair, I went in and styled with my Jane Carter Curl Defining Cream. This is one of my favorite products. I use only this and I get such defined curls. So I put that throughout my whole hair, or entire hair, all of my hair. So I put that all in my hair and I diffused on high heat for about 10 minutes just to kind of get that excess moisture, and then I went back in with cool air just to finish it off, and my hair is about 95% dry. this is a very short video. I just wanted to show you guys that my hair did fine even with all the heat. I actually miss having straight hair, and part of me wants to straighten my hair again while the weather's still cold enough to where I won't sweat it out, but we'll see. With the rain, I kind of was like, oh, I don't want to get caught and my hair frizz up, so I don't know, we'll see. I might straighten my hair one more time before the springtime, but we'll see. Anyway, thanks guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to making the next one.